Hey there, Will and Phil here, and we're just answering some questions as we can in our little community here on Facebook. And we have a question from, who is it? Angelica. I'm a bit lost regarding what equipment is best to have beginning. I only have two sorts of lenses with UV filters on them. Photos I take is either on moving cars and cars, nature, or people. This can be, this is a little tough. I think it's a sort of a personal thing on what you're shooting.
Yeah.
I think for me, having a 35 millimeter to start with as I was starting out was like a really great learning lens. I didn't have to think about zooming in and zooming out. But also every time, like we were talking, changing camera systems is like finding a nice quality lens that will sort of up your game. The glass is the first thing you can change that is going to make your photos look so much better.
Yeah, and have that like a better ability to shoot in lower light and have that shallower depth of field that looks professional or whatever. So yeah, I think for me, if I were you, you said that you have the 25 to 75 millimeter and the 55 to 250. I don't know what lenses those actually are with your Canon 550D. But of course, I think you can take great photos with that setup. But if you were to kind of take it to the next level, I would consider something like the 24 to 70 2.8 Canon lens. That's kind of a go-to. That's great for photos, video as well. And that's the lens that I got for my photography that I feel like took my photos to the next level. And there's other lenses you can go, like Will says, a 35 or even like a 50 millimeter sort of nifty 50 lens. But yeah, I just say maybe I don't think there's, in terms of like starting out, maybe like getting a tripod and a flash. These are things that you can add to your kit over time, but it depends on what type of photography you're really trying to do. So
25 to 75 should be pretty good to get you going. And then once you discover what you're really into, then maybe invest in other glass.
Yeah. Cool. Hope that helps. I hope that this video helped you out, whether you were the one asking this question or if you found this video and it was something that you were interested in. These are the kinds of questions and photography basics that we cover in our photography courses and in our community, Photography and Friends, which you have access to whenever you enroll in one of our courses. We also have a free resource that's available for all beginner photographers over at photographyandfriends.com, where you can learn all the basic skills and even advanced tips and tricks to help you become a better photographer. Thanks so much for watching and have a beautiful day.